The importance of portion control in maintaining a healthy weight. In this video, we will explore why portion control is a key factor in achieving and sustaining a healthy weight. In our modern world, portion sizes have grown significantly. This phenomenon, known as portion distortion, can contribute to weight gain and health issues. Portion control is about understanding the right amount of food your body needs, not what the plate can hold. Overeating can lead to excess calorie intake, causing weight gain and obesity-related health problems. Portion control encourages balanced meals, ensuring you get the nutrients your body needs without excess calories. Practicing mindful eating helps you savor the flavors, recognize fullness, and prevent overindulgence. Portion control can lead to weight loss, improved metabolism, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Incorporate practical tips like using smaller plates, measuring portions, and choosing pre-portioned snacks. Remember, portion control is not a short-term diet. It's a long-term strategy for a healthier life. In conclusion, mastering portion control is a vital step toward achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. By understanding serving sizes and practicing mindful eating, you can take charge of your health and well-being. Remember, control portions, control your health. Thanks for watching.